Good morning. We are off to Elsternwick for an auction. This property was supposed to go to auction a couple of weeks ago and we pushed this one back just to give it a little bit more time. Did a lot of changes to marketing, changing the photo every week and changing the price range to get some more engagement. We had a good 1,000 more views on realestate.com alone, so really interested to see how that goes today. There's also been another property that came up in that 2-week time frame that is much smaller than our property and being marketed at a similar sort of range, so that can obviously work in our favor, bringing more people into the street. So we'll just see how that all plays out today. So off we go to beautiful Elsternwick. What a stunning part of the world this is. Street here in Elsternwick. 1,300,000. We go once, twice, third time now. 1.4, welcome to you across the road at 145, so that she's back in at 1.5. I need to know if there's any further interest, otherwise there is no chance to come up to Dominic and I afterwards and say I didn't have an opportunity, because this is it now. At $1,500,000, done, finished, silent. Folks, last time. Well, can I get you now, folks, to put your hands together? We're going to wish this couple all the very best of luck, and we are going to formally pass the property into them. And we are sold!
Congratulations, you just bought a house.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh my goodness. So, property, amazing story. Young couple came to the property that was being marketed down the road, just happened to walk past ours, bid, and then we had to pass the property into them at the highest bid, do some negotiations afterwards. Vendor moved a little bit, they moved a little bit, and we have secured a sale. So congratulations. Sold. That is so amazing. So after that auction, I was supposed to be here at the auction that we postponed a couple of weeks ago, and I just wanted to come and have a look and see. Look at that. Sold! Whoop, 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 whoop. The one we postponed a couple of weeks ago, and they got the unconditional offer over the expected range. Woo! How good. So I was supposed to be auctioning that in 20 minutes, but done, finished, silent, so exciting. Okay, now I'm off home.